Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change margins in LibreOffice. So let's get started. Open LibreOffice and open a new or existing document. Go to Format, click Page Style. Now click on Page tab. In Margin, put the points based on your needs. In left, let's put 10 points and 10 points to top. So I will set 10 into bottom and click on apply. So the margin will be automatically changed. So there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.